Oh yeah, I got the perfect song for the kids to sing. And all my people that...
Before I get into the video, I must share with you guys that I started some new hair, skin, and nail pills from Heartbreaker Gummies. So yeah, this company, Heartbreaker Gummies, sent me a month supply of their hair, skin, and nail pills. So like I said, they are a gummy. They're these little heart-shaped gummies. They taste like strawberry. They're kind of good. It's kind of like a fruit snack, but a hair pill. So it's cute. So I've been taking these for a few days now, and I'm gonna be just kind of updating you guys, probably more on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do that. Haven't been taking them long enough to tell you guys like that, oh, I'm getting this crazy amount of hair growth and all this stuff. No. Another cool thing is that Heartbreaker Gummies actually gave me my own coupon code to give to you guys. So if you guys would like to try these, you can get 20% off thanks to me and Heartbreaker Gummies. So yeah, without further ado, we're gonna go right into the video. So I am starting off on an old braid out. So right now I'm just dampening my hair to detangle. I'll be detangling with my Denman brush and just some oil. Then I'm taking my Flexirod and just simply wrapping my hair around it. As I've seen, I looked at a few YouTube videos to get the hang of it for myself and see how it's done. I got these Flexirods on Amazon. I think it's a pack of 42, and I will link them down below where I got them from. But yeah, just twist my hair and then secure the ends in place. And now moving on to the next section to do the same thing and show you guys again, just dampening my hair, detangling, and I'm using just some oil on my hair and styling foam for hold. So again, I am just taking a section of hair and I start by twisting the root, and then I'm simply wrapping my hair around the Flexirod's barrel, making sure that it's really smooth and detangled, because that's a really important key when it comes to Flexiroding your hair or doing any type of rod set, to make sure that your hair is fully detangled and that you're smoothing it out while you're wrapping the hair. So this is what my hair looks like. I'm 3/4 of the way done, and now I'm starting with a new section to show you guys the process one more time, just so you guys can get the hang of it. Twisting the root of my hair and then just wrapping it around, giving you guys a closer look so you can really see how I'm twisting my hair within itself and then twisting it around the rod. Okay, so now I'm on to my last section of hair. I know you guys have seen me do this a bunch of times now, but I just wanted to show you guys again, especially in a different section, because the top of my hair is a lot looser curl pattern, so it does kind of wrap a little differently and detangle differently because the front of my hair is looser. So the next time I do a rod set, I am going to be trying it on freshly washed hair. This time I just wanted to get the hang of how to actually use Flexirods on my hair and the best way to go about it. So that's why I did it on an old hairstyle instead of just doing it brand new. I was just trying to get the hang of it. My hair is getting so long, I don't even know how to act. It's crazy. I remember when I first went natural, and for those of you who don't know, I have been natural for a little over 6 years now. So My hair has changed a lot. My curl pattern has definitely changed. So the end of my hair was going to go a little bit past the barrel, so I ended up just wrapping it a few times around itself, and this is how they look when I'm all done. I let my hair air dry for about a day, and now I'm taking some olive oil to unravel these rods. And I will be completely honest, I had a very hard time trying to figure out the takedown process for Flexirod, so it did take me a minute. And as you guys can see, my ends do not look perfect, but again, this was just a trial, so I'm sure it will be better more times that I do it. But some of them actually turned out really nice. First of all, these inches, let's talk about it. I quickly realized that the back of my hair was not completely dry. It definitely wasn't damp. It probably just needed a good half hour more before I took them down, but it's completely fine. I think they still came out really nice. And again, my ends are not perfect because they probably weren't really detangled. Plus, I think it will look completely different on freshly washed hair. I mean, overall, I'm pretty happy with how they're turning out. I definitely think that they'll be better the more I do it. My hair definitely looks really shiny and moisturized. The curls feel good, so I think that's definitely a good sign of a successful rod set. Now I'm just taking some more oil to separate my curls, and also I had a little bit of difficulty when I was separating them because a few of the curls I was actually retwisting in the wrong direction, so the twists were getting messed up, but I just had to do it in the opposite direction. So that's one thing to look out for. Just make sure that you're twisting and coiling your hair in the same direction as the rods went, even though you do it oppositely when you're taking the rods out of your hair. I know that's a little confusing, but yeah. Also, please don't mind my angry faces. I think I just always look really mean or like annoyed while I'm doing my hair, but I think that's just my concentration face and making sure that things look nice and like my video's okay, my hair is coming out right. It's just like a lot of elements going on when I'm doing my hair, but I'm gonna work on the mean mug. So yeah, this is how my hair looks after taking the rods out and a little bit of separating, and honestly guys, I'm not mad at it. I think it turned out pretty good. Some curls are really popping, and that's pretty exciting, so I think I'm definitely going to include this in more hairstyles of mine. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I decided to put my hair up in a puff just because I was doing this just to kind of get the hang of how Flexirods worked, and the back of my hair was not completely dry when I took these down. So I just put it up in a cute little puff. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this look, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.